है, ये होठों की बात चुप है, खामोशी सुनाने लगी है दास्तां। ये मौसम ये रात चुप है, ये होठों की बात चुप है, खामोशी सुनाने लगी है दास्तां। नजर बन गई है दिल की जुबान, न तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने, मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया। मोहब्बत के मोड़ पे हम मिले, सबको छोड़ के हम धड़कते दिलों वाले ये कारवां। मोहब्बत के मोड़ पे हम मिले, सबको छोड़ के हम धड़कते दिलों वाले ये कारवां। चले आज दोनों जाने कहाँ, न तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने, मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया।
Now, I would call that perfect, isn't it? Okay, now we break here for about 5 minutes. I call upon Mr. Pillai. Yes, Mr. Pillai, please take the mic. It's all yours now.
Thank you, Dr. Seema and the whole group. I'm sure you're enjoying this. 50s, 60s, 70s, lots of to go till 90s and 2000. That's the plan over here. You know, friends, backstage I was discussing what Mr. Kale, and for those people who know, Mr. Kale is also a parent of a student from Vani Vidyalaya, and I did not know him. I've heard about him, and he started asking me what is Vani Alumni doing and all those things. And after a few questions he asked me, I started asking him a few questions, and then I realized he's the overall in charge of this whole complex. And then I started realizing that Mr. Kale started getting a little bit technical about why music fits into Kalidas and this sports complex over here. And you know, being in the government myself, I started understanding, I enjoyed the discussion. You know, he said something very interesting, that this is a part of Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika, all of you know this. And this is a department which takes care of health, sports and recreation. And music is categorized from the government angle as a part of human recreation. And he told lot of mental diseases can be actually cured to music. And I was like, wow, this is amazing. And that's the reason why an institution like this actually has been able to attract so many performing artists over here to not only give entertainment, but look at the word, not just entertainment, but actually health and recreation. Thank you, Kale sir, for giving us a complete support every time Vani Vidyalaya has something to do over here. He's been always a great help to us. And once again, a parent of a Vani student. Before we proceed, in our culture, health is not just about physical health and diet and now music, but also health comes from parents' blessings. And our blessings can't be complete without teachers. An institution like this, many of you will be meeting your teachers also over here. But 3 people who are the stalwarts of this institution today who run it, we need to take their blessings in this particular program. our SIO president, our SIO secretary, and our principal. I request all the three to kindly come on stage. Our SIO president, C.V. Srinivasan sir, secretary, V. Ramakrishnan sir, and principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry. Three stalwarts who have always been supporting all the programs that we do, everything. Sir, kindly come on stage. Thank you, sir, for making this happen. Every time, we have to give a call. They say, Vani alumni ke liye kuch bhi chalega. Thank you, sir. They always have special consideration for us. Na kabhi suna hi nahi hai. So I will request our alumni to kindly honor them. So to honor President C.V. Srinivasan sir, I will once again request C.R. Ramakrishnan sir, our mama, to kindly come. Or to kindly, Madangi is also quite active in the alumni center that we are running. In fact, it's because of her that we've been able to mobilize almost 5,000 students from all batches. So Madangi, she'll be also coming on stage. These three people, whenever we come to the school, for all those people who have not been able to come to the school till now, let me tell you, that when they tell us, कि कुछ करना है, हम भी हाँ बोलते हैं, हमको कुछ करना है तो वो भी हाँ बोलते हैं. So that's the best part, coordination between the generation which is passed out and the generation which is still there and the generation which is managing them. So Madangi, I request to kindly give it to CR sir. Kindly honor our president sir. I request Madangi herself to honor our secretary sir, V. Ramakrishnan sir. And once again, CR sir, to honor our principal madam, Dr. Dolly Henry, Mrs. Dolly. And I will request all three of them to kindly bless us, say a few words on this particular occasion. Can you kindly hand over the mic, please? Mic, please, yeah. So a few words of blessing from all three of them, yeah.
When all you people have been enjoying the melodious music presented by Pyar Ke Rang Lahare Ke Sang, and also you are going to enjoy further during this gap. Probably a speech may be irritating, if not boring. However, as a part of the program, I am extremely happy to say, because they have invited me to say a few words. First of all, I am thankful to all the alumni people who have told us to come over here to say a few words. Ever since we started planning to conduct the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of our institution, Vani Vidyalaya, I am proud to say that the first people to encourage us were the alumni and nobody else. And not only that, today's program arrangement, the Gopal Krishnan, I am also happy and proud to say we were staying together in one building when we happened to come to Mumbai. He was a small boy and playing the cricket and all those things. I was also old at that time. But I am very, very, very happy to see a melodious music he is. And I cannot forget that because he is really great. And another thing is, these alumni people have helped us in two ways. One is to collect money. I must say that the maximum collection for conducting the Diamond Jubilee celebrations are alumni and nobody else. And not only that, this is a fund collection, they are doing it to help us further for our college program. He has told 2020 is the time that probably with this enthusiasm and spirit, we will do it even before that. I am extremely thankful to say, in fact, I can't find adequate words to express my deep sense of appreciation for the best efforts put in by all these alumni people in conducting and organizing all this in such a grand manner. I wish them success. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. Our president has already said, Vani alumni. We are proud to have an alumni like this in our midst. The management is very happy and likely to, always to continue the support, and we wish them all health, and we expect their help in future also. I just remember Mr. Gopalakrishnan this time. I just told Madam also. We miss her. Is Mrs. now. She would have been very happy to see Gopalakrishnan today on this stage. Anyhow, we remember her today. As our President said, we also thank, on behalf of the management, we thank the alumni for their support and cooperation they have extended to us during our Diamond Jubilee celebration. Thank you, Lord.
Good evening, everybody. Vani Vidyalaya alumni, the Lehere team, and all friends and family here. It's just some time back at a meeting I said that as the days were closing in on our Diamond Jubilee celebration, I had a mixed bag of emotion feeling. Feeling sad that it's coming to a close, and yet very excited that the Diamond Jubilee of Vani Vidyalaya went off into such a huge success. But it looks like it isn't over, especially when we continue with today's celebration. I remember one English classic, The Sound of Music.
Yeah.
It was a big time English movie. And I'm so glad that as we come to a close of the Diamond Jubilee celebration, it's the alumni. The alumni is one force which I knew would be very proactive and will be instrumental in getting us to places which we will be in the coming years. I'm so happy that the Vani alumni was able to host this musical program, Lehere, and we are all part of it. Do enjoy Lehere, and God bless you.
Just to give a little bit of an idea about the support, we proposed that we should have an alumni center. There is an alumni center. We said all the alumni wants to meet the teachers. So when the teachers came in during the Diamond Jubilee celebration, all the alumni met them. Then we said, but there are so many alumni who are not able to come. All the programs that we did were live webcasted across the globe. So that's the support that they give us. It started with a puja, I remember, Diamond Jubilee celebration. But the first program was actually opening an alumni center, and it ends with an alumni again. Friends, for all those people who are still not active in the alumni center, please come, because it's only a beginning. And we found it is not that we are helping the school, interestingly we are helping ourselves. Because so many business deals have got cracked within alumni, by the way. So many people have started getting jobs. And some people have started looking at their ex also. To suddenly able to connect the little child in them, the teenager in them with the first love that they had. And they're all 40, 45, 50 now, by the way. So for us, school has given those platforms to not only give back to the school, but school has given so much to us. So with that, we will do a little bit of a small program of actually thanking our sponsors. I request you please to be here for another 2 minutes. So the people who have been a part of the sponsoring for this particular event, and all the funds goes to the Vani group itself. So this is a fundraising event from our side. So all the people who have helped us, first of all, we request Tara Welfare Foundation and Dena Bank, TVG of Nanna Tara Welfare Foundation. Request CR sir to kindly felicitate them. And for you people, these people are the one who have been a support to us also. And only because of Vani Vidyalaya they've been supporting us. Yeah. So TVG himself is instrumental in doing this. You saw him singing over here. Yeah. Ram. Just be there. Yeah. Then we have Ramani Caterers and Madhuvan Jewelers. I request Murli sir to kindly. Yeah. Dena Bank. Yeah. Madangi, if you can. Dena Bank. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much. Madangi. We have Madhuvan Jewelers and Ramani Caterers. Please be there, ma'am. We'll request your photographs. Yeah. Anybody from Madhuvan Jewelers or Ramani Caterers? Okay, we'll expect them as they're coming on. Then we have Venkatesh of Raju Sir's Academy. They've been also helping us. Anybody from Raju Sir's Academy? Yeah, there we are. Also, Shriram Chits Maharashtra Limited. Request Ram to kindly felicitate them. Yeah, please, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part. He himself has been so active, and for all the meetings, brainstorming, he's been with us. He's been alumni. Sriram, anybody? Okay. We request Rajesh to felicitate from MT Educare, that is Mahesh Tutorials, and Crown Relocations. Okay, we have somebody from Crown. MT Vipul or anybody. Again, interestingly, quite a few alumni are there, and that's for us one phone call away. Bhejna hai bhaiya, paisa bhej dete hain. All active with us only. We have our own batchmate Vipul, a part of it. So there we have Crown. Okay, thanks for that. So we'll just wait for a photograph, and we'll be very soon starting the next program. Thank you so much for taking out your time and our support from the alumni, representing the whole group of the 50,000 students who have passed out. We'll make sure your dream of Vani Vidyalaya being a senior college and going to the next level is fulfilled. That's not only your dream, that's our commitment. Thank you so much, sir.
Well, I want to make a small announcement, a small gesture to my school. I'm today 64 years old. I'm in the second batch of Vani Vidyalaya, and
Wow.
I can't forget my alma mater. And and apart from whatever little contribution which I have already made to the SIO as well as to the VVA today, I would like to make a permanent project with my school. And I would request the principal to give me every year minimum 10 students who are not able to pay their fees. 10 students will be funded by my Nanha Tara Welfare Foundation. Today under this foundation there are 53 children studying whose 90% of the fees the foundation pays, the 10% is borne by the parents because they have the commitment to their child. Believe me, only one child has failed so far, and the 10 numbers has grown to 53 today. I want 10 numbers every year to this my foundation, and we will fund you. That's a permanent project. That keeps my link permanent with the school. Thank you very much.
I request Dr. Seema to take over. Thank you so much for being a part of this.
Before we proceed, I wish to introduce to you our team of dedicated alumnus. May I call upon stage all our team, entire team please.